How to sign out from YouTube on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out of YouTube on your Android phone. If you are struggling to log out of your YouTube account, this step-by-step guide will help. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your Android phone. Make sure that you are logged in with your YouTube account. Once you are inside the YouTube app, simply tap on the profile icon shown on the bottom right corner and you will enter the profile page. Once you are in there, simply tap on the gear icon shown on the top right corner and you will be prompted to the settings page. Once you are in the settings page, simply tap on the switch account and this will show you all the accounts currently signed in into the YouTube app. Now to sign out completely, scroll down and tap on manage accounts. And this will open up the phone settings. From here, you simply need to tap on Google. And here you can see all the Google accounts linked to your device. To sign out of the YouTube, find the Google account you are currently using for YouTube. Once found, you simply need to tap on it and you will enter the account details page. From here, you simply need to tap on the three dot icon shown on the bottom center of the screen and the pop-up menu will appear. From there, you simply need to tap on remove account and the Google account will ask the confirmation to remove your account. You simply need to tap on remove account. Don't worry, this only removes the account from your phone, not from Google or YouTube entirely. Once you have confirmed it, you will be signed out of the YouTube. And if you ever need to sign back in, just open the YouTube app and tap on your profile icon and select sign in. Enter your credential and you are good to go. And that's it. Now you know how to sign out of YouTube on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more quick videos. If you have any questions regarding this, drop your questions in the comment below and I'll see you in the next video.